In early October 2025, Mount Everest was struck by an unexpected and severe snowstorm that led to one of the largest rescue operations in the region's history. The storm, which began on Friday, October 3rd, trapped nearly 1,000 individuals, including trekkers, local guides, yak herders, and support staff, in the remote Karma Valley at an altitude of approximately 4,200 meters, 13,800 feet. The heavy snowfall, which reached knee-deep by nightfall, caused tents to collapse and hindered movement, leaving the group stranded without clear paths to safety. Rescue teams launched air and ground operations to evacuate the stranded individuals. By Tuesday, October 7th, all 580 trekkers and over 300 local guides and support staff had been safely evacuated from the area. Rescue efforts were complicated by deep snow, poor visibility, and the challenging terrain. Some individuals suffered from hypothermia, and around a dozen required critical medical assistance, including heating, oxygen, and food. The blizzard coincided with China's National Day holiday, leading to a surge in tourism in the region. Despite weather forecasts warning of poor conditions and local authorities closing some routes, many trekkers continued their expeditions, contributing to the high number of individuals affected. While the situation on the Tibetan side of Everest has been resolved, the storm also impacted areas in Nepal. In a separate incident near Mera Peak in Nepal, a South Korean climber died from hypothermia and altitude sickness. Additionally, heavy rains in western China led to landslides and flooding, resulting in at least 47 fatalities. This event serves as a stark reminder of the unpredictable and often perilous conditions in high-altitude regions, underscoring the importance of timely weather forecasts, proper preparation, and adherence to safety advisories.